it was extremely difficult to do this. You actually had to have several instances of OBS open, or you had to run in what was called an NGINX. I forget the exact name of it. But you had to run this server on your computer that allowed you to output your OBS stream to several different resources, and it hogged up an additional bandwidth on your internet connection to do so. So let's say you're streaming at 720p through OBS to twitch.tv at a bit rate of 2100. In order to also stream that stream to YouTube, you have to run either 2 instances of OBS, run that server I was talking about, and you would need 4200 bits, bits to be bit rate in order to succeed at doing that. However, now there's a free service that we actually use here at A Cup of Death that lets us stream to Twitch. It lets us stream to YouTube, and also we're going to be using it to stream to Facebook Live here shortly. It also accepts a bunch of other different services, and a great thing about it is, one, as I said, it's free, and number two, it pretty much works with any of the hosting or the live streaming platforms that are out there. So let's go ahead and pull up Google Chrome, and I'm actually already on the website. Up here in the top, you can see it's called Restream.io. Restream.io. So when you go to Restream.io, you'll have to go ahead and set up an account. Again, it's completely free to do so. They do have a paid subscription service, which gives you some more features, which I'll talk about after we kind of go through the initial free account of it. But this is definitely the best website, in my opinion, for doing that. So once you sign up for Restream.io and log into your dashboard, you'll be greeted with a page that looks similar to what you're seeing on the screen now, and it'll have different channels here. When you first join, there won't be any channels listed, but there'll be this add channel button. So you can see we already have Twitch and YouTube Stream now activated, but if you wanted to connect a channel, all you do is you go to add channel, and you would select the platform. As I said, they have pretty much every platform you would want to stream to on here. So you would select a platform like Hitbox, and you'll be presented, after you select the service, with a box to connect via your Hitbox account, your Twitch account, your YouTube account, or you can set it up manually by clicking the Set Up Manually button. I just connect it with all the different services. So once you have, let me go back to Restream here, sorry. So once you have that set up, how do you actually then stream to the service so that you stream to all these different services? Well, it's actually very, very easy. Just like with Twitch.tv or YouTube or Facebook Live, they have a RTMP URL that you would put into your software, whether that's OBS, XSplit, whatever, and you have a stream key. I won't actually click in this box because then it'll show my stream key, and I don't want to change it and go through all the settings. But once you click this stream key box, it would appear, and you'd be able to grab that. And again, the URL is right there. So once you have all your channels set up, whether YouTube, Twitch, Hitbox, you go ahead and go to your OBS and go to your settings, and under your stream section, you most likely had streaming services and you had Twitch or whatever selected. You would simply change that to custom streaming server, and then that's where you would put in the RTMP URL from Restream.io as well as the stream key. And then you would simply click apply and OK. And the next time you go live in your OBS, it will stream to the Restream service, which you'll see it pop up in the top right up here once you go live. And then the Restream server will push it to each of the different services that you have selected. And it doesn't increase the amount of bandwidth you need at all. You're simply uploading it the one time at the 2100, 2500 bits, whatever it is you have set up, to Restream servers, and then their internet connection sends it out to all the different servers. So it's a great, great feature. The other nice thing about this is that they have what's called the Restream chat, which the biggest thing also about streaming to a bunch of multiple different platforms is, let's see if it loads up here, is when you do, you have to have the chat room open for each service that you're streaming on, each platform. Restream Chat automatically combines all of those different chat rooms and combine them into one app that you can have open that shows you your chatters chatting from all the different services, which is also really, really nice. It's actually not, oh, there it goes, loading up the example. So as you can see, it says like 10 out of 12 chats connected. Like it shows YouTube, whatever that one is. There's one from Twitch. There's another one from YouTube, Twitch, YouTube. There's one from Hitbox. So it shows you in one application that pretty much looks just like the screen here, all the different people that are chatting on all the different services, and also lets you type in all the different chat rooms right from within that application. And again, that's all completely free. Now, as I said, they do offer, paid services. And what that is let's say the way that the free service works is you can only stream your live stream to one account per platform. So that means you can only stream to one Twitch page at a time, one Hitbox at a time. Now you can stream to Twitch, Hitbox, YouTube all at the same time, but you can't stream to two Twitch pages at the same time unless you go ahead and purchase that ability to do so. And right now, at the making of this video, they actually have a 35% off sale or whatever. I don't know the exact prices, and I don't really see that many people would need that feature. But if you do need to stream to several different Twitch pages or several different YouTube pages or several different Hitbox pages, then that is an option you can purchase to do so. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you guys set up Restream, which will allow you to stream to multiple platforms at the same time without using any extra resources on your computer, by having a separate OBS instance open, and without using any additional bandwidth with your internet provider. All right, guys, I hope that helped. If the video did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button wherever it's at for more updates and more tutorials on making your stream the best live stream out there. And until next time, see you guys in the game. Peace. Let it go.